Water can provide a refuge from temperature extremes while it's there. Southern Africa is frequently ravaged by severe droughts. For a fish out of water, death is usually inevitable. But these fish are not gulping air in vain. Their swim bladder forms a crude lung, allowing them to take in oxygen directly from the air. The lungfish escapes the desiccating heat by burrowing. It swallows the mud to excavate a chamber, passing it out again through the gills. Then it coats itself in mucus. As the mucus dries, it forms an impervious body bag that seals off the fish from the drought. River mud makes a secure chamber for the lungfish, but it's equally suitable for making bricks. As things go from bad to worse, the lungfish shuts down and waits for conditions to improve. Even in Africa, droughts must end. The lungfish may wait 4 years before the rainwater arrives to release it from suspended animation. By the end of the dormant period, the lungfish has started to process its muscles as food. But enough power remains in them to drag the fish back to water.
بل الظالمون